Okay, Nvidia right away, higher highs. So I might have to get Microsoft here, watching Microsoft. Okay, we'll have to wait on the 15 min for Qs, right? So let's see if Microsoft can break down. Looking for an entry under 278.60, right? Stop loss 277.30. So inside that range, right? That's the best case Ontario range. Here's the entry zone, right? So again, set this all up. So clean Microsoft setup here, right? Nice high vol breakout through 280, and then looking for a pullback into that sort of 278.60 zone. Textbook trade here to end the week off on a Friday. Really, really happy with this trade. Right, I'm just waiting for a price to pull back into my appropriate risk reward zone. Stop loss is low of that 277.30 area, right? Profit target is 282. So I'm just looking for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio to justify my trade here. You might get it. So again, right, gonna want to watch the reaction inside that area, about $1 away from the entry zone. So we're gonna be patient still. Still need to see a bit more of a flush. I mean, this screams very decisive price action, right? Okay, so keep watching here, right? It's getting interesting. Will this be AMD's revenge? So, got everything set up, right? The ship bounces off my imaginary line again. I'll be furious. No, I shouldn't be furious, but I'll have to have like one of those evil maniacal laughs. Okay, so let's watch the reaction inside here. Pretty thin ball, right? So I'm okay with this. All right, guys, I'm buying. Trying to get a fill here. Trying to get a fill at 278.40. There we go. So I am in. Average price 278.40. And let's see if this thing can rock higher here. So watching this back, pretty happy with that entry, right? Didn't spend too much time in the red, maybe like 10 seconds total. Didn't catch the exact bottom, but got the right spot. So pretty happy with that. No real complaints here. Like I said, this kind of feels like a textbook trade example. Also like how I bought this when price was on the way down, right? I wasn't kind of catching it. So, you know, always trying to get that bottom tick price, right? Or when it's kind of bouncing lower if I'm looking to be bullish. And good example there. So let's see if this thing can go. Feel pretty good about this. Pretty good entry, I think. Might have just jinxed it. We'll see. Gonna close them off. First profit target will be like 279. So I can get there. So I just want to make sure I have a plan for how I'm going to manage this win, right? I don't want to basically get greedy and ignore my profit target. So that's why I'm saying it out loud, right? Why I'm letting people know. You know, my idea here is to take off 20%, something along those lines at that 279 barrier and then get to that risk-free. Once I can get to that risk-free lottery ticket, then my math totally changes on this play and my expectation of being profitable kind of, you know, compounds and skyrockets. So that's really what the objective is here and why I'm, you know, aggressive in taking my first take profit. Okay, 20 cents away, 25 cents away. Let's see if we can get there. 20 cents, 15 cents. Okay, 10 cents. Watching closely here, right? Gonna try to get some off. 5 cents. It's on 99. Breakthrough. Okay, watching closely here, right? Trying to take some off. 1 penny away. Oh, there we go. All right, close I'm at 279.04, 279.04. Closed about 20% of my position. Stop loss now, my remainder is going to be at my entry price, so 278.40. And let's see if this thing can keep going higher, but great trade here, everyone, right? Great trade, great waiting for that pullback. Let's go. Gonna take off a little bit more here at 279.40 at $1 a share if I can get it. What was the price you tried to get there, Jason? How'd you set it up? Okay, gonna take a little bit more off, right, guys, at that 279.40 at $1 a share, right? And I'll take off about what will now be half, right? So I'll have half of my original position left. Anyone else catch this with me? Okay, there we go, guys. Locked in a little bit more profit there at 279.50. Stop loss on my remainder now is going to... I'll keep it at 270. I'll keep it $1 behind. I'll keep it at like 278.40. But let's go, everybody. Fantastic work. Great little rip. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good finish to the week, everyone. Good finish to the week. Oh, it's turning into a big one, guys. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go, Michael. Let's go. I'm going to take off a little bit more here, guys, at this 280, right? Taking off a little bit more here at this 280. It's not being greedy. It's been a great little rip. Taking some off. Oh, I'm just a little bit late there. If I can get it off. Trying to get it off. 280.03. 280.03. There we go. All right. Stop loss now. I've got 3/10 of my original position left. Right, 30% of my original position. And we'll call my stop loss now at my remainder like 279. Let's go. Great rip, everybody. Unlucky, Dayon. Unlucky. Nice, Fernando. Stoked you caught it, man. Congratulations. Well done, Callum, Rusty. Oh, feels good to end this way, guys. Feels really good to end this way. We're $2 a share here now, right? All of a sudden. Awesome work, guys. Awesome work. So I'm going to take off a little bit more here at this 281. Right? Another couple pennies away. Fuck yeah. What a trade. Let's go. Won't lie, I kind of feel like I needed that. Oh. Great way to finish the week. Oh, man. Yeah, that was perfect. That was perfect, and I'm really happy I didn't rush my entry. So I'm head over heels over my process here on this one. I feel very, very good about that. Man, yesterday I was so frustrated. I'm really sorry, guys. Sorry I brought that into the stream. Woo. Mega win now, though. Let's go. Fuck, I love this job. Man, I love those bounce back days. They're the best. Bounce back day to go green on the week. I will take it. And now let's see if we can get mega follow through up towards 282. I appreciate that, Ravi. Do you understand how I do it that way? Or why I do it that way? So taking off a little bit here, guys, at that 281. I'm going to take off, took off a lot. 281.25 I got to fill on. Stop loss, I'll keep it now, 280. And I've got a pretty small chunk left, but who cares? So almost gonna hit that 282 here, and I'll leave a small chunk if I can get it. I'm gonna take off a little bit more at that 280, and then I'll have a small chunk left, and then yeah, we'll see if we can keep getting all day follow through or whatever. But I mean, I don't feel like I need to do anything else here. Let's go, Jesus. Let's go. What a win, guys. What a win. Yeah, this was about as textbook as we could have possibly gotten. Let's go. All right, 282, right? My next profit target. Fuck, man. Risking 80 cents to make $4. We can make trading work with that kind of math. Hey, happy St. Patty's Day to you as well, Jason. I don't want that kind of power, Jesus. You see what I do when I get grumpy. Fucking hell, we crushed that, guys. That feels so good. Let's go, Jesus. Congratulations, man. Fantastic win. Great way to get the weekend started. Anyone still in this? Anyone else? T-Crow, and you still got any holders? Callum? Michael, you guys got anything left? Let's go. Let's go, John. Nice work, Rusty. Man, having that lottery ticket's the best feeling in the world. Nice, Callum. Nice. See you, Jason, man. Have yourself a good day. I have a couple Guinnesses later on me, man. Why was I so frustrated yesterday now? It makes me laugh. So stop loss still 280, right? Stop loss still 280. I've got such a small position left that I'm being pretty conservative with how I'm managing this. But fuck, that was awesome. Man, when we get that risk reward, it's the best feeling. Yeah, I'm totally the same, Callum. Like, I feel like this week, if I waited for your entries like you did, I'm having like a banner week, right? But that chop kind of tricks you into making some decisions a bit earlier than you want sometimes, or that pullback doesn't feel like it's going to pull back enough sometimes, right? So it's a really good reminder that when we just follow our rules perfectly, that's like, holy shit, we make a ton of money. But if, yeah, we FOMO in, we chase, we rush, we just like end up pulling our hair out. So a very good reminder of that. But man, best job in the world, guys. Whew. All right, so still trying to get a bit more off at that 282, right? Lock in that. But absolute ripper. Yeah, this was a textbook setup, to be honest with you guys. Break and hold of our 280 area, big pullback, bounce off of support. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, honestly, very happy with this trade, right? Now just hanging out, got a really small chunk left. Looking to take that little last final take profit off. And yeah, textbook trade from start to finish. No real complaints here. Identified correct pre-market strength, took advantage of it off the opening bell. And that opening volume, right? That opening 5-minute candle is just so powerful. Impossible to ignore. So very, very happy with this trade. Very happy we got the appropriate pullback. And yeah, this is going to be the trade I watch when I'm feeling down. This is a pretty much textbook example of what I'm looking to do. Oh, I got close. Got close. Oh, we're going to be fine here. Let's see if we can go 10 cents. Okay, 3 cents. 2 cents. Oh, come on. Did I really miss the 282 touch? Can't be, right? We're back testing again. Oh, see a 99 again. Are you kidding me? These round numbers are crushing me today. Oh, it's going to go through here. Okay, took some off there at 280, 203. And now remainder of my stop loss is going to be 280. I'll call it 281. I'm just going to keep it $1 behind. Let's go, guys. What a rip. Textbook trade. Congratulations to everyone who caught that. Best feeling in the world. Holy shit, Michael. Very, very impressive improvement. That is exceptional, man. Let's go, Trevor. Let's go. Love to hear that. What are you going to have for breakfast, Ravi? I love me a celebratory breakfast. Best feeling in the world. It's an interesting question. I would say no, because trending markets, I can buy breakouts and get paid consistently. So I would say this is still a little bit of like, you still probably want to buy dips, but man, it was our leading name. It absolutely showed mega strength. So yeah, I don't really, this feels like almost like a short squeeze breakout. Like to get back in, Sahan, are you talking about? Or, I'm curious, like what you mean. Like, I'll try to edit up this trade so you can watch it back if you want. But if you want to go back into the stream and rewatch it, you can do that as well. My entry was at 9:43:53. So if you go to like, I don't know, 9:40 and then kind of watch back from there, you could do that. But I'll always try to, what I try to do with most of my trades, I didn't do it yesterday. I didn't want to watch that again. So sorry. But what I do for most of my trades is I try to edit them up, kind of do like a little video journal commentary of what I did and why I did it. And then I try to post that in the Discord. So keep an eye. Sometimes on the Fridays, it takes me a little bit longer to do them, because usually by Friday, 4 o'clock, I just want margaritas. But yeah, I'll try to get this one done because this is a good win. So this would be a good process to share. Honestly, yesterday for me, yesterday, Rusty, for me was like a max frustration day. I was very, very frustrated. I wasn't very happy with my trading. With OG Trades on the Place Your Trades network. I posted it in the members chat on Discord. And straight just keeps ripping. No reason to close this, right? Just hanging out in here. No reason to do anything silly. What a win, though, guys. See how much further we can get, right? Can we hit that 283, 285, 286 zones? We'll see. But yeah, no reason to close anything out in a great win. So I'll see if this thing can keep squeezing. So can we hit 283 here? Anyone got runners left? Oh, Lee, though, what a day. Best job in the world, guys. Best job in the world. Oh, that NVIDIA frustration has just melted away. Feels good. Yeah, absolutely. So I know two things, right? My setup trigger here is through that 280, which was that first level here. So I know above that 280, I'm then targeting the next level on here, which is in that 282. So I draw my line at that 282. This is both my setup and my confirmation candle. So I know that my stop loss needs to be the low of my confirmation candle. So I can draw out that bottom red line then as well. So all I'm doing to draw out that final line, or to draw out sort of my entry target, is I'm trying to find the appropriate risk reward ratio that justifies my win rate on a trade. So in general, right, I kind of assume that every trade has a 2-to-1 risk reward or better. So I'm looking for where can I enter inside this previous candle, inside my confirmation candle, that gives me that 2-to-1 risk reward towards that bottom line. So then I'm just kind of ballparking, working backwards and saying, okay, if I enter from here, I'm risking $1.40 to make $3. Okay, not bad. But I want to risk kind of like $1 to make $4, right? Because I hate having stop losses more than $1. They end up feeling kind of nasty. So here, okay, kind of have that, $1 stop loss for $3.50 reward. All of a sudden, right, a bit more justifiable, and I can look to enter in there. So stop loss always in the same spot, right? Flow of my confirmation candle if I'm bullish. And then my profit target is whatever the next level is after my setup trigger. And then I'm just working backwards to find the 2-to-1 risk reward zone that justifies that play. Does that make sense? Yeah. So yeah, setup trigger ended up being a breakout through 280. And then red line, once that setup trigger happens, right, is the first profit target. And then stop loss is always low of the confirmation. So 283 here now, right? See how much further follow through we can get, but what a trade, guys. What a trade. Almost $5 a share. I'll take that. So yeah, not too much for me to do here, guys, right? I'm just chilling. Yeah, great play, right? Great day. So I'm on hands. No real reason to do anything else here. Indexes don't seem to be cooperating, so I'm not sure how much further follow through Microsoft actually has, but it seems like we did pretty well identifying the relative strength here this morning. It, yeah, fell in love with the most convincing story. So pretty awesome session. Yeah, no real complaints. Pretty big day, you know, $5 a share. I'll take that all day long. And yeah, man, hope you guys all crush it as well. Probably at this point, not going to be streaming in the afternoon, to be super honest with you guys. Because yeah, there's no reason to, right? So I'll start the weekend off a little bit early. Maybe watch some tournament basketball, place a few bets on a few overs, and get a bit of a thrill that way. But I'm not sure if there's too much I really want to trade here anymore. So I think that's probably looking a little bit like a reversal here now, right? Making a lower low. So I'm going to cut my position here. Only had like 1/10 of my original left anyway. Oh, no big deal. And I'm all out at 282. I just got to fill. I'll take it. Great trade. What a day, guys. What a day. Congratulations to everyone who played that. That was a lot of fun.